This, if we consider this is to be placed today, and why you people are opposing it? What is the threat that you perceive once this bill is have passed by in the parliament? What are the threat perception? What is the solution to it?
In Tripura, citizenship amendment bill has already been implemented unofficially. As you all know that Tripura was dominated by the indigenous people. 184 king dynasties history. I'm sure all of you know about it. Since we have become minority in our own state, we have told the center very clearly, we have no problem if you implement CAB, but some political place, some political assurance, self-governance should be assured for our people, then you implement it. Today our question is, if you can exclude Nagaland, Arunachal and Mizoram, which is far from Bangladesh, even if CAB is implemented, Arunachal and Nagaland, Mizoram is not going to suffer. And people know that infiltrators' safe haven is Tripura. Why we have become minority in our own state? No community in Indian Union will agree with this CAB if he or she becomes minority in his own state. We have told Amit Shah very clearly that you bring this bill, no problem. We are not against the Bengali, we are not against the Marwari. We have to exist in our own land. Thereby, we have to protest democratically, peacefully. We are not going to apply any force, any kind of violence. We don't believe in that. And definitely there is no other option but to protest democratically to bring the attention of the central government once again.
Manchina,